Prepare the software for the new patient. Open Romexis. Inside Romexis, select Add Patient. Enter the required patient information and click Save Patient at the bottom of the window. Now select 3D on the left pane. Insert the patient support mask and adjust the chin cup to the center position. Select the program by clicking the Program button. Select 3D. Select Large View 3 Horizontal. Select Full for volume diameter and Full for volume height. This will provide an 8x8 cm volume. Select Teeth for the position of the primary volume, first stitch volume and second stitch volume. Targeting for a 3-volume stitch is identical to targeting for a single 8x8 volume. The red primary volume is the target reference to position the patient to. The machine will automatically adjust to the first and second stitch volume. Click OK when the target selection is complete. Select the Go 3D button to put the Promax into its targeting control. Use the up and down buttons to raise or lower the machine to the appropriate patient height. Guide the patient into the machine and have the patient place their chin into the chin cup and tilt their head forward to make full contact with the temple supports. The temple supports have 3 height adjustments. Adjust them appropriately for your patient. Position the patient's head so that the mid-sagittal plane coincides with the mid-sagittal light beam. The cutout in the patient positioning shield denotes the 8x8 field of view that is to be captured. Reference this to make sure that the region of interest is within this cutout. The occlusal plane should be approximately centered within this cutout. Select the 90-degree button on the GUI. Use the lateral view to check for rotational clearance between the tube head and patient's shoulders and back. If contact is being made or clearance is tight, reposition the patient's stance. Use the thumb wheel under the patient support table to move the layer light. The layer light is a visual reference to denote where the front edge of the volume will start. Move the light to the labial edge of the upper incisors. This will allow the anterior teeth to be in the volume and maximize the rest of the 8 cm of the volume to the posterior. Once the target is set, press the 90-degree button again to return the rotational arm to its entry position. Visually, verify the patient is still in proper position. At the computer, click 3D Capture. The following communication status dialog will appear. Wait till the dialog says Press Ready button on the Promax GUI. Press the Ready button in the control panel. Ask the patient to close their eyes and swallow. It is important that the patient not make any movements during the scan. When the Ready button turns solid green, ask the patient to not move during all 3 exposures, and press and hold the exposure button until the rotation completes. Once the arm stops moving, then ask the patient to step back to remove from the unit. After a few moments, the stitching window opens in Romexis, and you can check the positions of the volume to be stitched. Select Auto with tilt and click Stitch to create the stitch volume. The final image can be seen in the Romexis Explorer.